Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. If you're looking around at your home after taking down the Christmas decorations and feeling like something's missing, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of neutral farmhouse decor inspired by the timeless elegance of Becki Owens. We'll transform every corner of your home with that perfect blend of warmth, simplicity, and sophisticated charm. Before we begin this exciting journey together, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our design inspiration. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love farmhouse style as much as we do. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for everything inside. Think classic board and batten siding in soft whites or warm creams, paired with black or charcoal window frames for that signature contrast Becki Owens loves. Add a simple wreath made from eucalyptus or dried grasses on your front door. Nothing overly seasonal, just organic and inviting. Consider flanking your entrance with matching planters filled with evergreen topiaries or winter-hardy ornamental grasses. The key is creating a clean, timeless look that whispers welcome home without shouting. Layer in subtle textures through natural wood elements, and keep your color palette restrained for maximum impact. Your entryway is the hardest working space in your home, and it deserves thoughtful design. Install a row of matte black or oil-rubbed bronze hooks at varying heights for coats, hats, and bags. Below, place a long bench with a cushion in natural linen or ticking stripe fabric for comfortable seating while removing shoes. Underneath, slide in woven baskets or a sleek shoe cabinet in weathered wood. Above the bench, hang a large mirror with a simple frame to bounce light and create the illusion of more space. Layer a durable jute or sisal mat under a smaller patterned runner for visual interest and practicality. Now let's add those finishing touches that make your entryway feel intentionally designed. On a narrow console or floating shelf, arrange a collection of neutral elements. A ceramic vase with dried pampas grass, a wooden dough bowl filled with natural spheres, and a small vintage-inspired clock. Keep a pretty tray for keys and mail. Opt for natural materials like wood, rattan, or stone. Add a table lamp with a linen shade for warm evening light. The Becki Owens approach is all about edited elegance, so resist the urge to overcrowd. Each piece should feel purposeful and contribute to the overall serene aesthetic. The living room is where neutral farmhouse style truly shines. Start with a foundation of comfortable, oversized seating in natural linen, oatmeal, or grayish tones. A slip-covered sofa is quintessentially farmhouse and practical for real life. Layer in a chunky knit throw in cream or soft gray, and add linen or Belgian flax pillows in various textures. Your coffee table should be substantial. Think reclaimed wood or a vintage trunk. Underfoot, anchor the space with a large jute or wool rug in natural fibers. This neutral base creates a calming backdrop that won't compete with your carefully curated accessories. With your foundation set, it's time to layer in personality through texture and thoughtful accessories. Add a pair of accent chairs in a complementary neutral, perhaps a soft taupe leather or linen with subtle stripes. Style your coffee table with a stack of oversized design books, a wooden tray holding pillar candles in varying heights, and a small vase with fresh or dried stems. Incorporate natural elements like a woven basket for blankets, ceramic vessels in organic shapes, and vintage wood accents. The magic of Becki Owens' style lies in the mix of old and new, rough and refined, creating spaces that feel collected over time. Complete your living room with artwork and lighting that elevate the space. Choose large-scale abstract art in muted tones. Think soft blues, warm grays, and creamy whites, or opt for black and white photography in simple frames. Flank your sofa with table lamps featuring ceramic or wood bases with linen shades for warm, ambient lighting. Add a sculptural floor lamp in the corner for reading. Consider floating shelves in natural wood to display a curated collection of pottery, vintage finds, and greenery in simple vessels. Remember, negative space is just as important as the objects you display. Let each piece breathe. Your dining room should invite lingering conversations and comfortable meals. Choose a farmhouse table in natural wood with a slightly distressed finish, or opt for a painted base with a wood top. Surround it with a mix of seating. Upholstered host chairs at the ends and simpler wood or metal chairs along the sides creates visual interest. Overhead, install a statement chandelier with candelabra bulbs or a modern linear pendant in black metal for drama. Keep the color palette neutral with natural wood tones, whites, and blacks. This creates a versatile canvas for seasonal styling throughout the year. Styling your dining table is an art form in farmhouse design. Create a centerpiece using a long wood dough bowl filled with natural elements. White pumpkins transition perfectly from fall, or fill it with lemons, artichokes, or decorative balls in neutral tones. Flank with simple candlesticks in brass or iron with ivory pillar candles. Layer each place setting with a woven placemat, white or cream dishes, and linen napkins tied with jute or tucked into simple napkin rings. Add sprigs of eucalyptus or olive branches for organic texture. The key is keeping it simple enough for every day, but special enough to celebrate ordinary moments. The farmhouse kitchen balances hardworking functionality with timeless beauty. If you're able to update, choose shaker-style cabinets in white, cream, or soft gray, or paint existing cabinets for an instant refresh. Pair with butcher block or marble countertops for warmth and elegance. Install a classic farmhouse sink with a bridge faucet in matte black or polished nickel. Open shelving on one wall displays everyday dishes and adds visual lightness. Choose stainless steel or panel-ready appliances that blend seamlessly. The refrigerator, range, and even your coffee maker should feel integrated into the overall design rather than standing out. Keep your kitchen countertops relatively clear, displaying only your most beautiful and frequently used items. Near the coffee station, arrange your small coffee maker. Choose one in stainless steel, white, or matte black to coordinate with your fixtures. Add a wooden tray with sugar and cream in matching containers, and a small vase with fresh greenery. On the main counter, place a large cutting board leaning against the backsplash, a pottery crock holding wooden spoons, and a basket of fresh lemons or eggs. Inside glass front cabinets or on open shelves, display white dishes, wooden boards, and a few carefully chosen pieces of ironstone or pottery. Your family room should be the most comfortable, lived-in space in your home. Arrange seating to facilitate conversation and TV viewing, perhaps an L-shaped sectional in durable performance fabric in a neutral tone. Mount your flat-screen TV above a simple wood or white console, styling it minimally so the screen doesn't dominate. Add a large ottoman that can serve as a coffee table with a tray on top, or choose a vintage trunk for hidden storage. Layer in plenty of throw pillows and blankets in varied textures. This is the room for relaxing after long days, so prioritize comfort while maintaining that edited farmhouse aesthetic. Carve out a small home office area that inspires productivity without sacrificing style. Choose a compact desk in natural wood or painted white, something with clean lines and perhaps a drawer or two for essentials. Pair it with a comfortable chair that doesn't overwhelm the space. Consider a vintage wood chair with a cushion or a simple upholstered option. On the desk, place a unique small desk clock in brass or wood, add a pottery pencil holder, and a small desk lamp with a linen shade. Keep a small vintage radio nearby for background music while you work. Mount a bulletin board or floating shelf above for inspiration and organization. Every farmhouse needs a cozy corner dedicated to reading and reflection. Position a comfortable upholstered chair near a window. Choose linen, chenille, or soft leather in a neutral tone. Add a floor lamp with an adjustable arm for perfect reading light. Place a small side table within reach for your tea or coffee, topped with a small stack of books and a candle. Drape a chunky knit throw over the chair arm and add a lumbar pillow for support. Consider a footstool or ottoman for ultimate comfort. This dedicated space signals to your brain that it's time to slow down, disconnect from screens, and lose yourself in a good book. Your bedroom should be a serene sanctuary that promotes restful sleep. Start with quality bedding in crisp white or soft neutral tones. Layer a duvet, quilted coverlet, and plenty of pillows in varying sizes and textures. Choose a substantial wood bed frame or an upholstered headboard in natural linen. Flank with matching nightstands in wood or painted finishes, each topped with a table lamp featuring a linen shade. Add a bench or upholstered ottoman at the foot of the bed for putting on shoes or laying out tomorrow's outfit. Keep the space uncluttered. Less is truly more in the bedroom. The Becki Owens aesthetic celebrates simplicity and tranquility in sleep spaces. Complete your bedroom with thoughtful details that make it uniquely yours. Above the bed, hang large-scale artwork in soothing tones or create a gallery wall of black and white family photos in matching frames. On nightstands, keep only essentials: a lamp, a small vase with fresh greenery, perhaps a dish for jewelry, and your current read. Add a cozy area rug beside the bed for soft landings on cold mornings. Dress windows with natural linen curtains that filter light gently. Incorporate a few personal treasures: a vintage mirror, a collected ceramic piece, or a cherished photograph. But maintain that edited, peaceful quality essential to good sleep. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with simple farmhouse touches. If possible, choose a white subway tile with dark grout for classic appeal, or opt for large format neutral tiles for a modern twist. Install a rainfall shower head and keep shower products in matching dispensers or pretty bottles. At the vanity or wastafel, display everyday essentials in a wooden tray, hand soap in a ceramic pump, a small plant, and rolled hand towels in white or natural linen. Hang a large mirror in a simple frame and add sconces on either side for flattering light. Keep counters clear and clutter hidden in drawers or baskets. Add warmth and texture to your bathroom through carefully chosen textiles and accessories. Layer bath mats in natural fibers like cotton or bamboo. Choose white, cream, or soft gray. Hang plush towels in coordinating neutrals on simple hooks or a ladder-style towel rack. Add a small wooden stool or bench for setting down clothes or displaying a folded throw blanket. Incorporate living elements with a small potted plant that thrives in humidity, like a fern or pothose. Choose storage baskets in woven materials for extra toiletries. Keep the aesthetic clean and serene. Your bathroom should feel like a daily escape, not another cluttered space to manage. Don't overlook the garage when creating your farmhouse haven. Install sturdy wall-mounted hooks and pegboards painted in black or white for hanging tools, bikes, and sports equipment. Choose open metal shelving units with wood shelves for bins and storage boxes. Opt for matching bins in neutral colors to keep things looking intentional. If there's room, add a small workbench in natural wood with a few vintage-inspired tools displayed on the wall above. Paint garage walls in a light neutral color and add weather-resistant rubber flooring or paint the concrete floor. The goal is making this utilitarian space feel like an extension of your home's aesthetic, not an afterthought. Your farmhouse patio should feel like an outdoor living room, extending your indoor style seamlessly outside. Choose durable furniture in weather-resistant materials, teak, aluminum, or all-weather wicker in neutral tones. Add comfortable cushions in outdoor fabric in creams, grays, or muted blues. Create an outdoor dining area with a substantial table and mix-and-match chairs. String bistro lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Layer in plenty of plants in galvanized metal containers, ceramic pots, or wooden planters. Add an outdoor rug to define the space and provide softness underfoot. Include a few lanterns, candles, and throws for cooler evenings, making the space usable across seasons. Thank you so much for joining me today on this journey through neutral farmhouse living inspired by the beautiful Becki Owens aesthetic. Remember, creating a home you love isn't about perfection. It's about choosing pieces that bring you joy and function beautifully in your daily life. Start with one room and build slowly, letting your style evolve naturally. The beauty of neutral farmhouse design is its timelessness and versatility, carrying you through every season with grace. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow design lovers. Drop a comment below telling me which room you're most excited to refresh. And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!